Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. Hope you are well. Hope you are good on this very sunny Thursday. How lovely is it to see the sunshine? After all those weeks of rain, it is nice to finally have the sunshine, and it's been like it for a couple of days now. It's beautiful out. I'm not even in a jumper, loving life. Sorry, I'm looking a bit sweaty, hot and sweaty. I've been teaching this morning. But I wanted to hop on because we've got two exciting things going on. One is tonight, starting at 6 p.m, we have a Scentsy flash sale. So excited. So I can't wait to see what's in it. We have no idea what's in the flash sale. So until it happens and we are in the queue with you, we won't know what's in it. So we always say with flash sales, for you to shop yourself. Okay, because we won't be able to order in advance, take orders and then put them in, because by the time you put an order through to us, it could have sold out. Things go very, very fast in a flash sale. So we advise you to go directly onto it yourself, shop away. You can use credit cards as usual, normal payment cards. You can even use PayPal and pay in 3 and PayPal credit. I think my PayPal credit could be getting a hammering tonight. Oops. But there's, those are the options that you have. So it's very, very exciting. So keep an eye on our website at 6 o'clock tonight for the flash sale. I can't wait. But the main reason I wanted to come on is we've had a collection that was released at the beginning of the month. This actually came a few days ago and I just haven't had chance to look at it. So I wanted to open it together. Now, we did get a little sneaky peek at the Scentsy conference, but it's so long ago, I can't remember. So we are going to sniff them together. So this is the Mental Health Awareness Collection. This is £29 for the 4-bar collection. But of that £29, £6 is donated to mental health charities within the UK. Okay, so that is really important to know that. So £6 from this collection, from your £29, will go directly to UK mental health charities. Okay, so let's open it up, or not, because I don't want to rip it. Hang on, there we go. I love the box. Isn't the box beautiful? I even find the box quite calming and relaxing. Yeah, nice. Right, let's dig in. So we have got chamomile and vanilla. Okay, Scentsy say chamomile flower and sheer vanilla share a meditative moment of calm. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, what does it remind me of? It is very spa-like. It is definitely very relaxing. Hey Tracy, how are you? Oh, that is gorgeous. Chamomile and vanilla. Absolutely beautiful. There's a wax that smells similar and I can't think what it is. I think there's one in the sleep collection that smells similar. But that is gorgeous. So that's chamomile and vanilla. Rosemary and mint. Oh, bless your heart. Sending him lots of love. Rosemary and mint. Here we go. So it says a rush of fresh garden mint invigorates rosemary oil and eucalyptus. Now, I like mint fragrances. I've actually got, what have I got in the kitchen at the moment? I think I've got lemon blossom basil, which has got mint in as well. It's really nice. And I love all the minty ones at Christmas. Oh, yes, that's definitely minty. Yes, that mint really hits you, but it's got those really lovely undertones of the rosemary. Oh, that is beautiful. I can't wait to warm that. So that's rosemary and mint. These are lovely. They're really calming, so they've made them to be lovely, calm fragrances. We have got blue lavender and bergamot. Is that how you say it? Bergamot? Never quite sure. So it's lavender, Bergamot and a touch of eucalyptus encourage rejuvenation with every breath. Ooh, I need rejuvenating. Let's hope this can work some wonders then. Here we go. Oh, yes. Definitely getting that eucalyptus. And I can smell the lavender. I'm not getting the bergamot. But I can definitely... Beautiful lavender. I love lavender. It reminds me of my nanny. We used to make lavender bags and sell them at the local church fete. So I've got a lavender bush in my garden. It always reminds me of her. Yeah, that's lovely. And that eucalyptus, if anybody used to like Just Breathe, it's not Just Breathe. It's not as strong as that. But you've definitely got that eucalyptus hit. It was the eucalyptus that hit me first. But now it's all about the lavender. Yes, gorgeous. This is a beautiful collection. Absolutely beautiful. And then finally, we've got lemon mandarin. So it says a citrus infusion of Meyer lemon and mandarin lightens the mood with a hint of lime. Okay, so very citrusy. But a much softer citrus than I was expecting. It's not like some of the trying to think, like lemon sorbet and things like that are quite in your face. But this is a much softer citrus. I think it's calmed down by the mandarin. Oh, I can't wait to warm that. That's really beautiful. Yes, yes. So a softer citrus, and it has got that really mandarin, the oranginess. Oranginess? Is that a word? Yes, gorgeous. This is an absolutely sensational collection. Absolutely beautiful. As I say, you get the 4 bars. You get them in this gorgeous little box. It's £29, of which £6 goes to mental health charities within the UK. How amazing is that? Absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm going to share with you now something that I'm afraid isn't available now. When these were launched at the beginning of the month, this didn't even last a day. But I got one for me. I may vaguely share with the grandchildren, but it's mine. They released the first weighted buddy. This is Truman. Truman the Terrier. Now, again, we saw him at World Tour and I absolutely fell in love with him and I knew I had to have him. He really has got some weight to him. So he's filled with like beads. So he's, if you think of a weighted blanket or weighted teddies, he's filled with beads. He is so soft and, oh my goodness, he is gorgeous. And of course, in the back, there is a pouch just here to pop your scent pack. I got to go in my Truman. I had to have jammy time, didn't I? Had to have jammy time. He's got to be lovely and relaxing. So I do apologise that I am showing you something that sold out very, very quickly. He is huge and really heavy. I mean, it's just adorable. Absolutely adorable. So yes, I'm sorry I'm showing you something and going, you can't have him. But I couldn't get him and not share him. But yes, he literally ran out on day one and they had a lot of stock. So that just shows how popular he was. So I'm hoping that even his legs are weighted. He's so gorgeous. Oh, and his arms. Yeah, yeah. What? So I'm hoping that now they've seen how super duper popular he is, that they will do some more like this, because he is huge, he's heavy, and he is absolutely snuggly. There. Well, I'm going to finish off by chatting and snuggling him. So there we are. You've got the mental health waxes. You can't have Truman, but there is actually, let me just check what else there is, because there are a couple of other products. You can get the lavender and bergamot one that I was talking about. You can get that in a room spray. So that's available in a room spray. They are also doing lavender and bergamot in Scentsy soak and a hand cream as a bundle. and blue lavender and bergamot in a natural oil. So there are other products within. He's smiling. Hello, Elliot. Hello, Elliot. So there are other products within the collection. I will share a link so you can have a little look at the collection. It is beautiful, and as I say, money does go to the mental health charities as well. So that is it. Just a quick reminder once again, flash sale. Flash sale tonight, 6 o'clock. We are very excited. Truman's excited. We're all excited. Can't wait to see what comes available tonight, 6 o'clock. Make sure you log on to the website in advance. Get yourselves ready. I'll be there with my PayPal credit. Oops. So I will see you all soon. I'm going to go and have a coffee and then go back to teaching. So from me and from Truman, take care. Mwah. Loads of love. Bye.